Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. Whether you are a job seeker preparing for the interview or a professional aiming to meet the client requirements, it's important not only to understand the technical aspect of Power BI but also be prepared to tackle real world challenges. So in today's video, we are diving deep into another scenario based question with solution in Power BI. I will walk you through step-by-step solution used to address these challenges effectively. But before moving ahead, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you won't miss out our valuable content. Alright, let's get started. So the scenario is we have a sales data containing a sales in various cities. We have noticed we have no sales for a city of Mumbai, so have a blank values for a Mumbai city. So let's check the data. So in the data view, you can see here we are analyzing the sales data where we have a data set that contains information about sales in various cities. Right. The data set includes three columns: ID, city and sales. However, there is a specific issue we need to address in our visualization. We have noticed that we have no sales for the data of a city Mumbai, and as a result the sales column containing blank values in a Mumbai. Here you can see there is no values, right? So in our report we want to display a 0 instead of a blank value. So we want here 0 instead of the blank values for Mumbai city while preserving the original sales data for other cities. So for other cities it should be the same, and for the Mumbai it should come as a 0. So this is our scenario. So here the challenge is we need to create a Power BI report to ensure the sales column displays 0 for Mumbai when there is no sales data for that city, while keeping the original sales value for all the other cities. So to address this issue, we can use a DAX function. So we can solve this issue by three ways. So the first way is using a if logical function using a DAX function. Second way is using a Colles DAX function, and third way is using a 0. So we'll see all these three. These three ways would handle blank values in sales column appropriately and will meet our client requirement or reporting requirement. So let's see practically. So as per the scenario, we have created these three visual. First, this is a table visual which is created by just dragging and dropping the column of ID, city and sales from this data. Okay. Now second visual is card visual which I have created by total sales. So I have created this measure which is total sale, which is sum of cells. Okay. So this is a simple measure I have created, and third is a slicer for the city. Okay. So here you can see for the Mumbai city we have a blank values, and if we select here just Mumbai, here you can see in the total sales it's a blank, and here in the sales column also we are getting no values. So here we want a 0. Okay, and in this total cell also instead of this blank we want 0. So this is our challenge. So let's solve it. For that, first measure we are going to create is for if, by using a if. So if I have already created the measure, here let's see what it is. So if logical function here is saying if is having a 3 parameters. First parameter is the condition, okay, and second parameter is true, and third parameter is false. So if it is true, then we have to use the second parameter, and if it is a false, then we have to use the third parameter. So here our condition is if it is a blank value, then you should display 0. Otherwise, whatever total cell is there, you have to mention it. Okay. So here we can see we have a blank values. So if we use this measure in this table now, okay, we select this. Now here you can see we are getting the 0 value. Okay, as we have used the if logical function, DAX function, right? It's showing if the value is blank, we are getting 0, otherwise we are getting the total cells, whatever it is present, right? Now same here in the card visual also, if we select now Mumbai, and here in the card visual we select the our if measure, here you can see we are getting 0. Now it's not showing blank value. Okay, now say second way is to use the coalesce function. So it is same. So again we will uncheck this. Now we will see a second measure using a coalesce function. So what it is telling, this measure tells you have to write a coalesce function, and here you have just two parameters. So first parameter is whatever cells it is present, you have to mention it, and second parameter, if it is blank, then you have to mention 0 here. Okay, so let's add this coalesce measure now in the table. Here we will add the coalesce function. Now here you can see again the 0 is displaying wherever there is a blank. Same way, if we go for the card visual here, and if we select Mumbai, we can see a 0 here. We select the card, and instead of if measure we will use this coalesce. You can see here we are getting in card visual it's 0, not blank. Okay, now third way is, let's uncheck this. Third way is very simple. Instead of using this if and coalesce function, we have to just add 0 to that. Okay, so let's see what is the third measure. This is our third measure. Here adding 0 measure. So here what you have to do, you have to just mention the total cells, okay, whatever measure it is, and just add the 0 plus 0. Okay, so this is so simple to it. So after doing this, we will add this to our table. Okay, so this is third measure, in which we have just added the 0 to our total cells measure. Now here you can see just added the 0 to the total cells measure, and we are getting a 0 instead of the blank value. Same way, if we go for the measure, instead of this coalesce measure, we will use this adding 0 measure. Okay, here if we go for just Mumbai, here you can see there is a 0 value. So this is how you can use the 0 instead of the blank values in such scenarios. Hope you understood how to use this. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.